Alright, so we got that engine out. Going ahead and putting this stage 4 BBR tuning racing engine in there, because that one blew up, but I took this on its last ride yesterday. The knocking got way worse, so I'm happy that engine actually came today like it was supposed to. And I am trying to run as much out of gas as I could yesterday, and it looks like there's still some in there. So I'm going to go out there and run the carb empty. But it's got to take a minute to appreciate the new shop that I can actually work on engines in, because it's not in the house anymore. So, yeah. Anyway, I'm going to take that out there. I might take a video of it, but I might not. So I'll see you whenever I see you. Alright, I'm going to try to capture this the best I can. That's running empty. There it goes. So you get the other one. Alright, so I got the cylinder on, piston in it. It's enough assembly lube to, yeah. Now I just gotta put the head on with the aftermarket spark plug that they put with it. So, alright, so I was putting my cylinder head on, and it looked like there was a gap, but just thinking, it only seals around this face. And you can actually see that on the gasket right there. It's very faint, but yeah, so it's not a gap. It is actually sealing all the way. So if you're doing this, it's fine. That's the gap I'm talking about right there. See it? But it's completely sealed. You can almost see that spot. So it's all good. Just doesn't look bad, that's for sure. Alright, so just finished this for the day. And looking pretty good with the exhaust on there. So she's already about 10 pounds lighter with almost double the power. So yeah, I'll keep you updated. Hoping to do the first fire up on Friday. Today's Wednesday, so I'll give you some updates along the way. Alright, so it's now the end of the third day of working on this. It really doesn't need to take this long, but, you know, I had to work the last 2 nights, so I can only work until about 2, and then I had to go to work. But, yeah, obviously, as you saw from the portion that you last saw, the motor is mounted, the exhaust is mounted, it's looking really good. Scooch my butt around here. Looking real clean there. But I got the actual CID, I believe is from, I can't recall what it's actually named. I'm pretty sure it's CID, because that's wired in from the stator that's in there, that's already in there. I had to take that off to get the chain on there, and I had to wire everything, and I was used to this motor that obviously we had to splice into to make everything right, but it was just one because it was a 4-stroke. It's also $180 engine kit, $300 when it's on sale. So yeah, it's a little bit more. But so this has 2 Ys right here. Both of so I had them loops up, and I connected the red to the red and the black to the black. Obviously that came from the engine, both on the left side right here, and the kill switch is obviously still black to black, so that's on the right side. On the right side over here is the blue one from the kill switch, just like they had in the video. And if you're doing this, make sure you torque these head bolts down. Mine are torqued to 10 foot-pounds, also stated in their video. The only thing that I really had to do left is mount the clutch up here. I had the lever here, but as you can see right there, the cable doesn't go through there, so I have to end up cutting that so it can go through, and then that way I'm probably going to end up shortening the housing which I have all the stuff to do that. It's just really, really, really long. Like if I wanted to, I could put my clutch lever on my toolbox over there and I could still pull the clutch in. So that's got to be adjusted. I got to obviously zip tie this stuff up here, put some anti-seize on this that's going into CNC aluminum. Just really anything that you're putting heat through, like spark plugs, I put a little anti-seize on there. And then I gotta, like I said, put the clutch on, and I gotta get the throttle on, and then mix the gas, and we're ready to go. I also couldn't quite get this support here to go in. I gotta get a longer bolt for it because they obviously designed it for the factory. Well, I was gonna go over to it, but it's not there. The factory head that they have, and the stage 2 and stage 3 heads that they have, but this is the stage 4 head, obviously. Actually, this is the same as the 3, I believe. Don't quote me on that, but I know it's on the 4. This is the one I have, but it's way, way bigger, so it doesn't quite clear enough for me to be able to get down to the support there. Anyway, this is the head that came on it. Obviously, this is a stage 1 head. This is, well, not the stage 1. This is just the factory head, and it goes on like so. And as you can see, there's quite a bit of height difference there, and it does fit with this on it, but not with that one on it. And like I said earlier, you got that gap there. Don't worry about it. This one has a square where it seals. The other one just has this here circle, and it just seals on that circle, so don't worry about it. But yeah, so pretty much a long way of saying we're almost there, and I'm hoping to take it out tomorrow for its break-in period. Alright, yep. Hopefully it doesn't blow up. That would suck. Oh jeez, it's so weird. It's so much lighter, dude. Alright, so that was the first try of us trying to start this, and there was a clank. That was it right there. It just skipped a tooth and just got caught in the crankcase, so it wouldn't move any farther. It all freaked out. I think it was the clutch, so I legit started making clutch adjustments, and none of them were working. So I gotta do that, and I'm gonna fix the clutch because I adjusted it. So I'm probably just gonna pull this whole thing off, shorten it a little bit more, and hopefully that works. So yeah. Alright, so our camera guy has since left, but this is the beauty of this bike, and I'm going to start it. I already gave it a little ride around the neighborhood, make sure it starts full camera again. So let's see if it starts again. Like the choke on right there. But yeah, as you can see, she's a runner for sure. That's a thunderstorm coming, so I gotta get this bike away. Alright, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.